Welcome to ZoZo Pops. Today we are going to be making honey garlic noodles with 2 chicken breasts. Honey garlic noodles, where you're going to be needing 2 cups of water. We have some carrots and a orange pepper and butter. Right over there. So now we're just going to add the butter in. Now we're going to add the carrots and peppers. Whoa. Then we're going to steam it for 15 minutes. All done with the noodles. We're going to be adding the chicken that we cooked. Bye-bye.
And now we'll take care of the carrots.
Yep. And there's the carrot.
So when we do our carrots, we like to put anything and everything that tastes flavorful. But today, we're going to put urban pepper spices,
some garlic salt.
Chase away the vampires.
Yep. And dill weed.
Some dill. Mmm, so good. Mmm, so good. Mmm, so good.
This is actually the best kind of dill.
All right, let's toss some in.
Oh, good idea.
Spread the garlic. All right, that's good.
That is the finished product for now. So that is the end. I hope you enjoyed that video. Comment down below what's your favorite chicken
recipe. Thanks for watching, guys.
Subscribe, hit that bell button.
Hope you enjoy the show. Don't forget to subscribe.
Down below, hit that bell notification. Yeah, we'll see y'all next time. Goodbye.